UNobhala Jikelele weANC uthi kungaba isihluku esesabekayo esibhekiswe ebantwini uma ngabe bengayithola belahlekelwa imisebenzi.
The threatening massive retrenchments in the country are entirely unacceptable, and resultant job losses from retrenchments will only deepen the suffering of our people.
Magashule udlulise umyalezo enkampanini eyindiza iSouth African Airways kanye neSABC.
We similarly call on the management of SABC to avoid job losses and to ensure constructive engagement with the unions.
Magashule ubeseza nesu elingasebenza ekutheni izwe ukudilizwa kwezisebenzi.
Working together with all South Africans, working together with trade unions, working together with employers and working together with government is the only solution.
UNobhala Jikelele weqembu elibusayo usigxeke kakhulu isihlava sokubulawa kwabesifazane kanye nezingane.
We are calling upon men and boys and all South Africans to heed this call of ensuring that we protect and defend our girls, our women, and the ANC call on all men and boys to stand up against any form of gender-based violence.
iSABC ithumele izisebenzi zayo isaziso sokudiliza ngaphansi kwesigaba 189 somthetho wezisebenzi ngolwesine olwedlule. iSABC yabeka izaba zokuthi idiliza nje yingoba izama ukuphendla indlela entsha yokusebenza okuyihlela kabusha kanyeke nenkinga yezemali.